Hey guys, Martin from Impress Peters, and today I'd like to talk about the wireless access point for your business or home. So as you can tell, I got a wide range of equipment here. We got the AC Pros and the AC Long Range from Ubiquiti. So the Long Range comes with its own PoE injector. What that means is you're gonna run power over Ethernet and it'll fire this thing up, and then you'll be able to set it up. Now, if you have a big square foot house or a business, we recommend you to run the Long Range because they tend to go on a further point. Now, if you want something for speed and it's nothing really big, then you can get away with the AC Pros. Now, on the AC Pros, I wanted to talk about the old version versus the new version. They have released a new package, as you can tell at the top, where they bring their own PoE injectors. Now, for the old one, what happened was they did not include it. So we had to buy a separate PoE injector. This is the equipment that I'm saying. Now, there are two versions of this. You have the 24 volts, 0.3 amps. This is not going to work. So you may think that the actual wireless access point, it's bad, but it's not. You have to get the big one, which is the 48 volt, 0.5 amps. This is going to fire it up. Now, for homes, we also recommend running the range extender. This is a power line kit that will be able to function just the same way as the wireless access point at a way lower price. So if you guys have any questions, we can go on site and set this equipment for you. We can go at your home or your business and even run cables if you need it. So if you have any questions, leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.